In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project to get started. If you want to create a new project using an image, it's very simple. Just click on the File option at the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Open, choose the image you want, and then click Open again. Your image will now be inserted, and a new project will be created with it. If you already have a project open and want to add additional images to it, this is also very easy. Click on the File menu again and choose Open and Place from the options. Locate the image you want to insert, select it, and click Open. The image will be imported into your project, and a new layer will appear on the right-hand side in the Layers panel. You can move this layer above or below other layers depending on how you want it to appear. To adjust the inserted image further, make sure the Move tool is selected from the left side of your screen. Then enable transform controls at the top of the screen. You can now resize, rotate, or reposition your image to fit your project perfectly. With these steps, you can easily add images to any project in Photopea, manipulate their placement, and integrate them seamlessly into your design. And this is how you can insert an image in Photopea.